Hi, friends! I'm Max, your adventure buddy. Today, we're exploring the amazing world of birds. Let's meet some of my feathered friends. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, look at this stunning bird. This is a peacock, known for its colorful feathers and beautiful dance. Isn't it magical? This is a parrot. Parrots love talking and mimic sounds they hear. They're so smart, don't you think? Here's the wise owl. Owls are night birds and can see really well in the dark. How cool is that? Look at these graceful birds. Flamingos. Their pink feathers make them stand out. They live near water and love to wade all day. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are friendly birds and can travel long distances to find their way back home. Smart, right? Look, it's the crow. Crows are super clever and love solving puzzles to find their food. Isn't that amazing? And here's the sparrow. Bird sparrows are small, quick, and chirp the happiest songs. Can you hear them sing? That was so much fun meeting all these birds. Tell me in the comments below which bird was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video and share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.